अस्सलामु अलैकुम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। One of my viewers, Mr. Jesse Hartsman, he asked me about the property tax in Pakistan because he doesn't know Urdu. Therefore, he asked me to explain the things in English. So, in the beginning, for him, it is being submitted and deliver lecture in English briefly regarding the property tax in Pakistan. You know, Pakistan is an agricultural country. Most of the area consists in agriculture, the land under agriculture. But the cities have been also swallowed, and big cities like Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, vast areas has become in urban areas. So these areas are controlled and levied under a particular act, that is the Urban Immovable Property Tax Act 1958. As you know that the taxes are collected all over the world, in America, UK, and likewise in India, Pakistan. The tax is recovered in America on the basis of capital value annually. So that is included tangible, intangible properties. Even the bank accounts are charged, levied tax. And where in Pakistan, the tax is levied annually on the rental value of the properties, buildings and lands at 10%. And this is levied on the province level. The law is, though it is act for whole of Pakistan, but it is provincial. All the provinces has their own act, provincial acts, and certain differences are also raised, as in Karachi with a little bit higher tax. So, you know, in England it is recovered from the owners as it is recovered from the owners in Pakistan. In Scotland, it is recovered half from the owners and half from the occupier. So, in Pakistan, it is recovered from the owners. So, naturally, but it is assessed by the authorities. Assessing authority is formed under this act, and certain other officers are appointed as commissioner and so on. And the assessment authority usually they assess the tax leniently and with understanding of the owners. So annually it is taxed 10% minimum. So my humble submission is that I do not know my viewer, Mr. Jesse Horstman, you didn't write where are you from. Otherwise, I might have explained you more with your psyche. It is also explained that the taxes government may through notification specify urban areas where tax shall be levied under this act. I mean the Urban Immovable Property Tax Act 1958. And there is provided that one urban area may be divided into two or more rating areas, or several urban areas may be grouped as one rating area. There shall be charged, levied and paid a tax on the annual rental value of building and lands in a rating area at the rate of 10%, as I explained earlier, of such annual value, provided that where a building is occupied, this is very important. I will explain in Urdu also for my viewers and Urdu speaking people. Provided that where a building is occupied for residential purpose by the owner himself, the tax shall be levied at the said rate on one half of the annual value of such building. If the owner or any member of his family is considered of a person, his son, daughter, wife, father and mother. In Pakistan, this is one family. So, annual value of such building, if the owner or any member of his family does not own any other property in that rating area. Provided further, the government may by notification remit for reason to be recorded in whole or in part the payment of tax by any class of persons in respect of any category of property. So the tax shall be due from the owner of the building and lands. My dear listener, Mr. Jesse Horstman, it is specially for you short introduction regarding to the tax in Pakistan. And if it is good for you, informative for you, and for what purpose you need it, you may contact again. I may go for the tax regarding to the agricultural land also. So for you it is sufficient. Now I come to my Urdu speaking viewers. मोहतरम नाज़रीन, उर्दू जानने वाले हजरात इन पाकिस्तान, जैसे मैंने अर्ज़ किया कि एक मेरे व्यूअर हैं, उन्होंने ये कहा कि मैं उर्दू नहीं समझता, मुझे इंग्लिश में प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स के बारे में कुछ मालूमात दें इन पाकिस्तान। तो आप शायद ताज्जुब किया होगा कि आई स्टार्टेड इन इंग्लिश। बहरहाल क्योंकि वो मेरे भी ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन, हर व्यूअर मेरे लिए प्यारा है। आई पे हिम रिस्पेक्ट एंड रिगार्ड, आई लव हिम फ्रॉम माई कोर ऑफ हार्ट। क्योंकि आपके साथ मेरा जो एक राब्ता पैदा हो गया है, ये मुझे बहुत ही प्यारा है, सच्ची बात है, आई लव इट। तो चूँकि वो, हालांकि वो एक ही थे, लेकिन मैंने उनके लिए रिस्पेक्ट और रिगार्ड के लिए उनको जो इंट्रोडक्शन था वो मैंने पेश कर दिया। अब आपके लिए भी मैं यही उर्दू में बता रहा हूँ, मेरे पाकिस्तान में रहने वाले, क्योंकि टैक्स, प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स हर आदमी की, ज़ाहिर है जिसने, अल्लाह ने उसको जायदाद दी है तो वो जायदाद पर प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स, और ये हर मुल्क में है। अमेरिका में भी है, इंग्लैंड में भी है, इंडिया के मुख्तलिफ शहरों में मुख्तलिफ कानून बनाए गए हैं। हमारे यहाँ मुल्क में एक ही कानून है, और ये हमारा है अर्बन इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स एक्ट 1958। इसमें गो के बाद में अमेंडमेंट भी काफ़ी हुई हैं, लेकिन मेन हमारा लॉ जो है पाकिस्तान में यही है।